Main map component creation, layout map equal QGIS layout item map layout, and layout map dot attempt resize. QGIS layout size, we use predefined map width and map height. Map width 250 and map height 200. QGIS unit types dot layout millimeters. Styling for map frame. Layout map set frame enabled true. Layout map set frame stroke color black and width 1.5. Coordinate reference system handling. Project CRS equal project CRS, and layer CRS equal R layer CRS. Extend equal R layer dot extend. If layer CRS not equal to project CRS, transform QGIS coordinate transform layer CRS to project CRS project. Extend equal transform dot transform bounding box extend, and layout map dot set extend of R layer. Center map on page. Map x equal page width minus map width divided by 2 for horizontal centering, and for vertical centering we use map y equal page height minus map height divided by 2. Layout map dot attempt move. QGIS layout point, predefined map x and map y. Then layout dot added layout item layout map. After that, added north component. We prefer to use north text instead of picture because the picture was not appeared perfectly. North text equal QGIS layout item label layout, and north text dot set text, the symbol and N capital Unicode arrow symbol plus text. Then north text set font bold 20 font size, and north text set font color to black. North text set edge align qt dot align edge center for center alignment. Positioning relative to map. North text dot attempt move QGIS layout point. Map x plus map width divided by 2 for center horizontally over map, and map y plus 10, it means 10 mm below map top. Then layout dot added layout item north text, defined north text. Then added the scale bar component, scale bar equal QGIS layout item scale bar layout. Set style to single box. We can use line ticks up and other styles such as double box. Set link map layout map, and set units distance kilometers. Set font to Arial and font size 10. Positioning at bottom left of map. Scale bar dot apply default size. Scale bar dot attempt move QGIS layout point map x plus 10, which means 10 mm from left map edge, and map y plus map height minus 20, which means 20 mm above map bottom. Layout.added layout item defined scale bar. Then adding legend component, legend equal QGIS layout item legend, layout, and set linked map, layout map, legend set title. We can use legend or remove it. Legend dot adjust box size for auto size based on content. Positioning at bottom right of map. Legend dot attempt move, QGIS layout point, map x plus map width minus 40, which means 40 mm left from map right edge, and map y plus map height minus 28, which means 28 mm above map bottom. Then layout dot added layout item legend, predefined legend. After that, finalize layout, layout dot refresh, iface dot open layout designer, layout open for visual verification. In the final step, export processing, define output directory, d/udemy PyQGIS/output folder, path of PDF equal os.path.join output dir, and the name, for example, Landsat 8 before map.pdf. And for SVG, path equal os.path.join output directory, and the name the same Landsat 8 before map.svg style. Ensure layout reference is fresh. Manager equal QGIS project dot instance dot layout manager, and layout equal manager dot layout by name my layout, which is my layout Landsat 8 B4. Execute outputs. Exporter equal QGIS layout exporter layout, and exporter dot export to PDF, predefined PDF path, and QGIS layout exporter dot PDF exporter settings. And for SVG, we use exporter dot export to SVG, predefined SVG path, and QGIS layout exporter dot SVG exporter settings. This is our activated band 4 of Landsat 8 for Erbil city in the north of Iraq. Then in Python console, we run the script. This is the create layout with the map and legend in the bottom right side, the scale in the bottom left side, north arrow in the top center. Also frame created in black color. We go to our output folder. This is the exported PDF, Landsat 8 before map. And this is SVG style of the map. Conclusion and best practices. Key takeaways. Always validate CRS compatibility between layers and projects. Use relative positioning for responsive layouts. Maintain style presence for organizational consistency. Pro tips. Added progress reporting for long operations. And enable parallel processing. That's the end of today's session, and happy mapping.